Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create a Webflow account. First, navigate to the Webflow website using your preferred web browser. Look for the Get Started Free or Sign Up button, usually prominently displayed on the home page. Clicking this will take you to the registration page, where your exciting journey into web design begins. It's a straightforward process designed to get you building quickly. On the Sign Up page, you will be prompted to enter a few essential details. This typically includes your email address, a secure password, and your full name. After submitting this information, Webflow will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open this email and click the confirmation link to activate your new account. This crucial step ensures the security and validity of your registration. Once your account is verified, you can personalize your profile. You might be asked about your role or company, which helps Webflow tailor your experience. Take a moment to fill out these optional fields. You can then choose to start a brand new project from scratch or explore the extensive library of pre-built templates. This is where your creative vision truly begins to take shape. Welcome to your Webflow dashboard. This central hub allows you to manage all your projects, access account settings, and find valuable learning resources. Spend some time familiarizing yourself with the layout. You will find options for creating new sites, inviting collaborators, and upgrading your plan. Webflow offers a robust platform for designers and developers alike, empowering you to build stunning, responsive websites with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.